about that? Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And I am standing here with Maggie from Snippets in Brookfield. And she is so excited about being here today, she can hardly stand it. So why don't you, first of all, thank you for being a sponsor. We sure do appreciate it. Now, how would you like to tell the folks all about Snippets and what Snippets does and what you're doing here?
Okay. Snippets is a haircutting salon in Brookfield. We specialize in kids. We have video games and prizes for the kids who come in. And we also do really fun birthday parties for girls and boys. Pirate and princess parties. We do their hair, makeup, and they get to do a fashion show. So everyone come to Snippets on 124th and North Avenue in Brookfield. All right. And Kite Fest rocks.
All right, now I like that part. Kite Fest rocks. 124th and North Avenue is the Kohl's Department Store shopping center.
Elmwood Plaza.
All right, well, you know what? Snippets rocks too.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye.